Well, Lord, I'm sorry for things I've done. Well, I never should have did them, but they sure were fun. My flesh is willing, my spirit is weak. Well, they better lower heaven if I'm ever gonna reach. But life ain't always easy, the sky ain't always blue. So take the good days while they last, they may be all too few. Cause down, down comes the rain, black clouds above again. Hold on tight till you see the sun. Sometimes in life there's gonna be rain. There's gonna be rain. Well, I've been happy and I've been down. For an old hillbilly, I sure been around. That stairway to heaven is high and long. I'm never gonna make it if I keep doing wrong. I just take things as they happen, be they good or bad. I put one big boot in front of the other and do the best I can. Cause down, down comes the rain, black clouds above again. Hold on till you see the sun. Sometimes in life there's gonna be rain. There's gonna be rain. Same old story, life turns on a dime. A little bad luck's coming, just give it some time. With that wheel of fortune keep spinning round, I'm hoping I'd land on a winner somehow. I got no predispositions about how the world goes round. But till the next storm comes along, I'm out to paint the town. Cause down, down comes the rain, black clouds above again. Hold on tight till you see the sun. Sometimes in life there's gonna be rain. There's gonna be rain. You see the sun. Sometimes in life there's gonna be rain. There's gonna be rain.